Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a rainbow loom bracelet. You'll need some looms and your finger, or you can use this. You can make this at home. You will just need 2 pencils and 1 eraser and tape them on. So let's get started. First, get your first colored loom and put it both sides. And you can see that I first did it crossed, and then you put your next color loom, then you put it without the cross. And then you grab your first loom and all the way to the top and let it go, both sides. Next, you grab your another colored loom and put it, and then you grab your bottom loom and grab it all the way and let it go, both sides. You repeat these steps again and again. I'll do it one more time so you'll know it very, very well. So again, get your another color loom and then put it, and then put your bottom on right on top, both sides. Now, I hope you learned the repeating things, and you can repeat these steps again and again. And pretend that this is done. And then you will have to put your up left one onto the right. Then you will put an X clip on it. Then you take off, and then look at that. That was very easy, huh? And then if you want to make a ring or a bracelet or necklace or anything else, if you have another idea, you can just clip it like that.